Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is NBHM 2019 question number 1.2. So let P be a prime number, n belong to n is greater than 1. What is the order of P silo subgroup of GL and FP? So what is basically a PSSG, that is silo subgroup? So the meaning is that if we have a subgroup of G, say H, and order of H is P to the power n, such that P to the power n plus 1 does not divide order of G, then H is called a PSSG. We can also say that it is a maximal P subgroup, right? Because higher order than P to the power n will not divide order of G. So in this case, GL and FP, we know that what is the order of this. So the order of GL and FP is equal to the P to the power n minus 1, P to the power n minus P up to P to the power Pn minus n minus 1. Now we need to find PSSG, right? So we need to find the maximal order for which this thing holds, that it has to have P to the power something and suppose n, then a power higher than n should not divide the order of the group, right? So if we check this, we can see that P is coming here, P is coming in all the next term except the first term, right? So we start taking common out. So we can see that P comes out common, 1P. Then from second term 2P will come out. From the last term we can see that P to the power n minus 1 will come out, right? What remains? P to the power n minus 1. Then we have P to the power n minus 1 minus 1 and so on. In the end we will have P minus 1. Can you see that? Now whatever is this won't contain any P. So let this be a number K, right? Now also this will not have any P or any factor which will have P in it, right? So clearly GCD of P and K will be 1, right? So how does this help us? Now we can see that what remains. Now this is the highest order for which this will divide the order of GNFP, right? So GLNFP, sorry. So clearly we can see that this is summation n minus 1, right? So this is our answer basically, because 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1, no, in the power. So that means P to the power summation n minus 1. Also, when you divide a higher power than this, suppose say this is R, this power summation n minus 1, then P to the power R plus 1 will not divide order of G. Clearly, because we can see that these two are co-prime now. So there won't be any other term which contains P in it. So clearly, our answer will be P to the power summation n minus 1. And you can solve it easily for any n. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also join my classroom. I will share the link in the description box. Thank you.